These videos are educational in nature and meant to help 21 and over adult smokers switch to a healthier alternative. Welcome back to the channel, folks. I am Matt. Hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to check out something a little bit different. We have a new special edition gift box from Voopoo that has to do with their G4 and the football tournament that happens to be going on right now. I'm going to show you everything that comes inside of this. Look at that. And Voopoo has different competitions going on where people can win the whole box. They can win just the limited edition Argus G4 right here and a bunch of other prizes. Pretty interesting way they're doing it too, like you can guess the outcomes of games and things like that. So first off, you got this magnet, looks like a fridge magnet with a bottle opener and a cool little spinner. I could play with that for a while. Then you got this nice little carrying case here. What's inside? A lanyard, of course. A Voopoo water bottle. How do you open this? You squeeze both sides. Oh yeah, there we go. And then it just latches back in place and it's locked in. It also includes this cool soccer jersey. Sorry, football guys, football. This one is XL, but Chinese XLs tend to be a little bit small. Nice material though. And then you got the Argus G4 limited edition. Now, I recently reviewed this, so we're not going to go through the whole review hoopla. Definitely check out that original video. It's one of the best pod systems of the year. It's going to be in my top 3 for sure, maybe even top 1, but the year's not over yet. It's very, very innovative, so check out my full-length video. Voopoo's just been kind of killing it so far this year. I've been using their Navi here recently as well, and this has been my go-to for the last few weeks. So inside is the special edition G4. Obviously, we understand the styling here. You got a football right there, it looks like, says Voopoo. Really interesting, grippy material. Like this part feels like it's a vinyl of some sort, but then the logo area here feels rubberized. I like the way they did that. Looks like an aluminum frame on there. Says Argus on that side. USB-C charge port, and you got your airflow control right here. I really like this thing almost all the way closed because you have another little smaller airflow hole on this side. I just filled it up with non-nicotine liquid. Let's install our pod. 5 clicks to turn it on. So, pretty interesting. You got basically a manual that will work through here as you first turn it on, if that's what interests you, but it's really easy to use. The claim to fame with this device is that you have one pod that gets you 3 different resistances. So right now we're on 0.7 ohm. If you flip it this way, we're now on 1 ohm. If you do 2 clicks, now you're at 0.4 ohms. So it's like 3 pods in one, right? You have dual coils stacked on top of each other that are 1 ohm and 0.7 ohm. So you can either use one or the other, 1 ohm or 0.7 ohm. Or if you want to do dual coil mode, you can go down to 0.4 ohm, making it the most versatile pod out there. And pretty interesting because then you don't need to buy multiple pods. So if you're somebody that's been using 0.4 ohm with direct lung and then a 1 ohm with mouth to lung, you now can do it all in one pod, and it works really well in all different modes. Watch my full-length video. I tested it out in all modes, and I was really surprised. 1, 2, 3 will make it so you can adjust your wattage, and it depends on what mode you have it in. Because I'm in 0.4 mode, it will let me go all the way up to 35 watts. 1650 milliamp hour battery, definitely pocketable. Like I said, one of my favorites of the year. There it is next to an 18650 battery. 3.5 ml capacity in the pods. And yeah, it's a winner. So like I said, with this special edition, this is winnable, and also the whole box is, and a lot of other stuff. So I think that's it, guys. Check out my full-length video on this. Definitely worth it. That about wraps it up. Until next time, thanks for watching.